Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. 5 reasons you should not shop from AliExpress. 1. We're gonna get straight to the point. You never heard of AliExpress. Well, if you never heard of AliExpress, I myself did not know what was AliExpress or who AliExpress was. Basically, AliExpress, it's a online store where sellers from China, they are mostly Chinese sellers that sell their product on AliExpress. It's huge. A lot of people shop on AliExpress from all over the world. It's basically Amazon but bigger. You can find basically almost any type of product on AliExpress you want. For example, look at this beautiful Crocodile leather bag. I was looking for a bag recently and this came across my feed. I clicked the video for you, see how it looks. And recently they have been getting better with AliExpress, putting videos on AliExpress so you can see the product, what it looks like. Looks really nice. So this is just one of the products that you can buy on AliExpress. I'm just showing you because it came across my feed. I have also here snooker. If you're into snooker or pool, you have a pool bag where you can store your cue sticks there. I was also looking for a seat belt. I don't know what you call this. It's a seat belt holder or seat belt cotton child baby triangle safety protection. Now on AliExpress, the words or the description for the product, they don't really make sense, and they do this for rankings. So you can see how cute it looks. So I have bought many stuff on AliExpress in the past 2 years of finding out what AliExpress is, what it does. So I have no problems with shopping on AliExpress, which brings me to the second point of this 5 reasons why you should not shop on AliExpress. Second reason being, they are Chinese product and you're afraid to buy Chinese product. There are people out there that they will keep saying, oh, it's Chinese, it's made in China. I don't want to buy anything that's made in China. Or it's cheap. Anything that's made in China, it's not good. My advice to you is to go check almost every piece of clothing that you have, almost every sneaker, you name it. You just look where it's made. It's gonna say made in China, made in China. And the reason why a lot of products that are made in China, it's not just because of quality. The main reason is the manufacturers or the company that commission their product to be made in China, they pay a lot less for the product, so they have higher profit margins. So it's one of the main reasons why a lot of stuff is made in China. So I would say I can see that as one of the reasons why you would not shop on AliExpress, because a lot of people think it's all Chinese product. Me myself, I do not have a problem with that. So going on to the third reason why someone might not want to shop on AliExpress, and I would say the third reason is they are afraid. They are afraid to buy from a site that they don't know about. If you never heard about AliExpress, you would be afraid, as I was in the beginning. I was not sure what AliExpress was, but after doing a lot of research on the internet, well, to be honest, I did not do a lot of research. I checked a couple YouTube videos and I saw people were talking about AliExpress. AliExpress is a Chinese site where they were buying cheap products. The products were really cheap compared to what you would pay for it in the US, and they were selling it at a marked up price, the products, to other people on Amazon. And if you go on Amazon, you can see the same exact products on Amazon, and they are just sold for a higher price. I can tell you, I was shocked and amazed at how good some of the quality of the products were for such little money. As you can see here, I'm looking at a anti-blocking filter eyeglasses. This is very popular now. I myself, I have one of these. I didn't buy it from AliExpress because I was dumb. In the beginning, I didn't check, and I end up paying, I believe it was like 50 US. And you can see here, you can get this one for $7.69 on AliExpress, and it has 2,500 reviews. So this is what I'm just trying to show you guys. There's a lot of good stuff that you can buy on AliExpress, and if it has 2,000 plus reviews, it's pretty good. As you can see here, the one I'm wearing now, it actually looks just like this. I actually made a review video on it earlier. You can check it out. Yeah. So let's go on now to the fourth reason. You can't wait. If you cannot wait a while for your products coming from AliExpress, then you should not shop on AliExpress. As you can see here, if it's shipping to Europe, to Romania, it's going to take 27 to 49 days. And you can change the country, see where it's going. If you want to pay for faster shipping, you can do that. If you want to ship to, and the nice thing about AliExpress, it ships to almost anywhere in the world. Amazon does not do that. If you want to get your product shipped to Barbados, let's see how long it's going to take. It's going to take you 41 to 60 days. But that's a standard shipping, free. Most of the shipping from AliExpress is free. At one time I was staying in the US and I was getting the products within 2 weeks and it was free. It was pretty fast. So it depends on where you live. The products are going to take a while to come. If you cannot wait 2 weeks to 3 weeks to even a month or 2 months, then you should not shop on AliExpress. And I would say the fifth and final reason, if you're one of these people who believe the products, they look cheap and you don't want to buy the product because you only paid $1 for it, $2 for it, that's entirely up to you. That can be another reason why some people will not want to buy from AliExpress. I can tell you, I was one of these people who in the past I used to say I would not buy anything if it's not a certain amount of money, it looked cheap, I don't want that. But as you can see here, guys, I'm telling you, there is a lot of good stuff that you can find on AliExpress, and you would not believe the quality that you are getting for the price. So you can see this is a beautiful bag, and I can tell you, if you go over on Amazon and check the price of this bag, it's a crossbody bag, PU shoulder bag, men's charging bag, USB. Anyhow, I'm not gonna read all this. The title, it really doesn't make sense, but they are doing this to try to get rankings. Just look how nice the pictures are. Also, if you are shopping on AliExpress, I also have this bag. I did not buy it from AliExpress. I bought it from Amazon, and it was a lot more expensive. I almost kicked myself in the you know what for not going to AliExpress and check. I don't mind waiting 2-3 weeks to a month, you know. Sometimes I buy the product and I forgot that I ordered this product and it came, and it's like a surprise to me. Yeah. So here's another nice product for your door, you know. Numbers to put in front of your door, your building number, your, I don't know what you call it, different places they call it different stuff or whatever. It's just the number of your property. Number 34, number 56, apartment number 101. No, so hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll be making more videos about AliExpress. I shopped on AliExpress a lot and I love it. Here are some pros and cons to AliExpress, but as I give you 5 reasons why you may not want to shop on AliExpress. If you do not have any problems with these 5 reasons, then AliExpress is a great place for you to shop. Have a good one. Bye.